Hey y'all, welcome to the Bobby's Photography. My name is Adebayo, and we'll be talking about melanin popping action today with just a single click. I'm sure you can see the difference. Look at it over there, and this is the after. Adebayo. I would like to talk about melanin popping action today. As you can see, the action on our model is actually popping. I would like to show you the before and the after. Before we had this was let me show you. Click on your alt key and click this. You can see the before, and this is the after. You see the before, and this is the after. Actually, on this image we have done some actions. You can see this. We've done this. We've done the action there. We've done the dodge and burn, and we've done frequency separation also. So with this, if we restart frequency separation, you see what it looks like. It's already flattened. Then with our dodge and burn, the highlights and the shadows were restored. And then we moved on to apply our melanin popping action to get this. Now, what I will do is this. Okay, it's best we remove this totally. So let me remove this totally. And then with this, you can click on your control key, alt with E to give you a new action. Control alt E to give you a meshed image. All the actions we've performed will give you the image. Now with this, you click on you can make this you can convert this to smart object. Right click and go to convert to smart object. Then after converting to smart object, on the image in the box here, you can double click. You can see this to open up the image on another layer, on another page. Now we have the image here, which has been edited. We have our frequency separation done and our dodging and burning to restore the highlights and shadows. Now all you need to do is this: call to actions, then come here, click and go to load actions, and you go to where you saved your melanin popping action for black skin, and you click on load. Immediately it loads, you click on the action and it's going to load right there for you. You see it loading. The action is already loading. So while the action is loading, you just give it some few seconds to load. Then you can see it will automatically apply on the image. The melanin skin pop, the melanin is going to pop right there on the skin immediately. You will find it there immediately. As you can see, it's already there. Check out our before and the after. Okay, see the after, see the before, then you can see the after again. So with this, you can adjust the melanin popping action. Either you click here to reduce the opacity. Right, you reduce the opacity, you can see what it's going to give to you. So you can do that to suit yourself on whatever layer you want it, on whatever setting you want it. You can see that, so you can adjust that. Also applies on the shadows and the highlights, but at least you can see more of it on your shadows. So right here, for example, you can see the shoes has colors that are not as it was before we did our melanin action. If you want to adjust the colors, you can increase the colors by coming here, open up the group, click on your hue and saturation right here. Then you can check out the colors on the shoes. I think we have yellow color. Come to master, change to yellow. You can increase the yellow. Based on whatever colors you're trying to restore on your image. Images differ. You can increase your yellow. You can come to magenta to increase your magenta. And also we have blue. Increase the blue as well. And right there, I'm sure you can see So with this, you can see the blue has been restored. You can come here, click back again on click some steps backwards before we did the opacity, before we did the color change, and you can see the difference before and after. See that? See the before, and then you can see the after as well, that the colors were really restored. Yes, and that's how it happens at the bulb spot. Okay, so you can always adjust the melanin popping action. You can come to your either of the actions to reduce the opacity, to see the way it will suit your image. You can come here, okay, that's on 30. You can either increase it or reduce it. Okay, so in a situation whereby you're trying to avoid the melanin action from applying to your background, all you need to do is this: come to this layer, then you highlight the select out the background. Select out the background. Select out the background. Select out the background. Yeah. Yeah, I'm taking it a little bit faster, but when you're applying on your images, you try to be as slow as possible and as accurate as possible. Okay, I guess we are almost fine. Okay, yes, we're fine now. Okay, so now I have selected background. Remember to go into details when doing yours, when you're applying on your background, on your image. So right now you come to the group, you click on group, okay, then you click on your alt key and your mask key. Can you see that? Then immediately you see that it has been removed from the background. Either increase it or you reduce it to suit yourself. So thank you all for watching. I'm really sure you by now can work on melanin popping action. You can get these actions from the Bobby's photography. We would like you to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And do not forget to always contact us for any other action you would like to have on your computer. These actions makes your job much stress-free and faster. It eases you off a lot of stress. So thank you all for watching. I hope to see you again.